And they're off. And coming to the first flight. And the early leader is number 1 from 13. The leaders approach the second hurdle. Number 9 is last. Number 11 is making ground. Turning left-handed. Number 2 is making ground. Number 9 is last. The leaders approach flight number 3. The leader is over that one. Number 6 is making ground. And running to the next. Number 5 is making ground. Number 9 is last. Number 11 is making ground. Number 1 has the advantage from 13. Turning left-handed. Number 10 is making ground. Number 1 is the leader from 13. The leader is last. Number 1 is the leader from 13. Number 6 is making ground. Coming to the next. The leader appears to be travelling well. The leader appears to be travelling well. Number 9 is making ground. The leader goes well. Number 5 is last. Number 3 is making ground. The leader goes well. Number 1 just leads from number 1. Number 5 is last. Turning left-handed. Number 2 is making ground. Number 6, the narrow leader from number 4, number 3 and number 1. Half a mile left to run. Number 3 is the narrow leader from number 6. Number 9 is making ground. Coming to the second last. They have 3 furlongs left to run. Number 3 has the advantage from number 6, number 4 and number 1. And as they approach the final flight, number 6 ranges up on the outside. Number 8 ranges up on the outside. They're in the final furlong. Number 6, the fractional leader from number 3 and number 4. Number 4 ranges up on the outside.